G'day guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to today's video where we are at an extremely rainy OSW. Now a couple things to start this video off. I do want to apologize for how spacey the videos have been lately, and I really haven't been able to get the videos out in time, or I would say in a relevant amount of time lately. And that's mostly due to the clutch kickers edit as well as the brake bank edit, which is coming out soon. Now I'm not really saying it's their fault, I'm just saying that doing those kinds of edits in general takes quite a lot of time and effort. So that's where a lot of my time and effort has been. Now we're kind of free of that now, and I'm catching up to all the videos of the FRS, so hopefully around the time that I post this I'm at least somewhat caught up. But we have a bunch of really huge changes coming to the FRS in terms of one really big cosmetic change, which I'm not really going to spoil in this video, but if you do follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen pictures of it. And then number two, some suspension changes to round out the rear end. So the car is going to be up in the air for probably 2 weeks coming up here very soon in order to prepare for Black Friday and other like pretty big drift events that come towards the end of the year. So this is really the last time we're gonna get to thrash on it in its current form in the I would say like the version 1 of this car, considering it now has the full angle kit and everything, but it just doesn't have everything else rounded out. So version 2 is gonna be a pretty well-rounded drift car, and it will be absolutely unmistakably a drift car once we get done with that cosmetic mod that I was talking about. Oh, okay, yeah.
He's like, fuck! Okay.
Good thing that's not me.
No, you're fucking killing it.
Yeah, hopefully.
Proud of you.
Thank you. Hopefully I'll left foot brake this big one for you all night. We'll see.
You good?
Good? So close to something cool though there. First lap, all things considered. I'm okay with that. I mean, yeah, I fucked up a little bit, but hey, you can't win them all, right? A little too hot, huh?
Spinning. That was very hot. I mean,
I'm gonna chill out on the next one. I'm gonna chill on this next one.
The lobster, don't do that much lobster.
Yeah.
You're good.
Good. Better?
Yes.
Are we gonna turn on lights at some point or no?
We're waiting for Tommy.
We'll find out. Alright, yeah.
You're good.
was abusing left foot brake. I feel so bad because I completely lost it, but I was just trying to like save it no matter what. All right, guys, we were gonna get one more lap, but it looks like we're cutting right into when A-Class is starting, and I was right in front of like a huge pit of all A-Class cars. So yeah, I just wanted to remove myself. So yeah, unfortunately can't get one more run, but at least we got that first session down, got the feeler session, and next session I'm gonna hopefully slay the shit out of it, knowing what we know now, and hopefully not do any dumb shit like I was doing. But hey, it's fun. The rain is when you should really do those kinds of things, I think. Do all the more complex things, do the craziest thing you could think of imaginable, just because the tolerances are much lower, and also your breakage tolerance is much better, so you're not gonna snap your shit learning, you know, a cool technique. So that's what I've been loving about the rain lately. So even if you spin, doesn't really matter, as long as you're putting in some constructive work somewhere, you're working on it. So good session. I'm gonna try and not be a hot dog this time. The entry is just very, very tricky, I think, in these kinds of conditions. And like, potentially I could dump it in there super nasty, but I don't think I could with these wheels. I think I'd need to run like stock wheels, get all that extra angle back. There was a decent amount of added angle with skinny wheels, and yeah, I could probably like do backies on small wheels. So definitely has me thinking about another set of maybe RPF ones. We'll see. I can barely do the entry. Crazy weather here, but still, all in all, decent event there. That was fun. I'm glad it just stayed raining the whole time, or stayed relatively slick the whole time, because what is not fun is like patchy. So that was some good shit. Now, after Cars and Coffee tomorrow, which I'm debating bringing this thing just filthy straight to the car show. Yeah, after that we'll get to all the changes, which should be really fun, and kind of bring this thing into the next stage of its life, where it becomes a true animal, not just an animal to me.